All right, well, heat waves are getting worse. A new study shows they're lasting longer and moving more slowly over time. Scientists compared global heat waves from the 1970s and 80s to heat waves between 2016 and 2020. They say about 45 years ago, heat waves would last an average of 8 days, but more recent heat waves lasted up to 12 days. The full study is published in Science Advances. If you're in Florida, it's like a million billion days long.
It's like once we start those 90 degrees,
Yeah.
November can't get here soon enough.
That's-
And Cam, we got close to 90 today.
Yeah, we got into the upper 80s. Didn't quite hit the 90s, but it was definitely warm and it was beautiful to get outside. Here is a live look at Port Canaveral, courtesy to our friends at Rusty's at the Port. You can see how gorgeous it is as we go into your Tuesday afternoon. Temperature is right now 87 right now in Sanford, 85 in DeLand, and 86 right now in Orlando. This is all going to be warmth and humidity that's going to provide fuel for showers and thunderstorms for tomorrow. It's all with this complex system here that's stretching from the Midwest all the way down to the northern Gulf Coast. You can see the tornado watches in effect for the Midwest. That same storm system will be arriving at our doorsteps by tomorrow, bringing us the potential for strong to severe thunderstorms. Up ahead of it right now, we're seeing quite a bit of high-level clouds streaming in, but it is dry, though, as we take a look at our satellite and radar. Just a few clouds out, but remaining dry. Warm this evening, staying dry through tonight, and then tomorrow morning, lots of clouds around. It's going to be a mild start with temperatures in the low 70s in the Orlando metro, 70 in Sanford, 71 in Orlando, but areas north and west will be starting off in the upper 60s tomorrow. Tomorrow afternoon, we'll see highs climb into the mid-80s before the rain arrives on our doorsteps by about midday. Speaking of the rain, we have been upgraded now to a level 2 out of 5 risk for severe weather for tomorrow. That's the yellow there. And what that means is we are seeing the potential for damaging winds tomorrow as well as hail. Right now, the tornado threat looks to be low. Heavy rain is expected, but not expecting anything flooding because the storms will move through very quickly. But definitely watching the threat for damaging winds and hails. I think those are the two main concerns tomorrow. Speaking of the winds even outside the thunderstorms will be rather gusty tomorrow. They'll be out of the southwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour sustained, gusts up to 50 at times. And here's a look at Futurecast so we can track out hour by hour when we're expecting those storms to roll through. Tomorrow morning, mostly cloudy, breezy start. Then here we go. By about lunchtime at noon, we will see that squall line move into Flagler as well as Marion counties already, bringing heavy rain as well as gusty winds and damaging winds possible. Then that line races off to the south and east at 2 to 3 o'clock, hovering right over the I-4 corridor, so stretching from Sanford all the way down to Orlando, Leesburg, and Claremont. Then it moves southeast into Osceola and Brevard counties around 4 to 5 o'clock, and then into just far southern Brevard County around 7 to 8. The severe threat, I think, will end after sunset, and then mostly cloudy skies tomorrow night with a few lingering showers around. Behind that front, noticeably cooler and breezy conditions move into central Florida. So looking ahead for Thursday and Friday, it's going to be really nice conditions, and that's definitely reflected here in our 7-day forecast. Look how pleasant it's going to be behind tomorrow's cold front with lows in the 50s, highs in the 70s. But we got to get through tomorrow first with that potential for strong to severe thunderstorms. Coming up in the next half hour, I'll show you how much rain we are expecting with tomorrow's severe weather event coming up at 4:47. But for now, let's send it a break.